In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wrike Request Form to streamline your workflow efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to Wrike or looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you make the most out of this useful tool. First, we'll begin by navigating to your workspace. Once you've logged into your Wrike account, direct your attention to the left sidebar. It's packed with various options, but don't worry, we're going to focus on finding the Request Form section. Shift your gaze down the sidebar and locate the option labeled More. This section often contains additional features and functionalities that might not be immediately visible. Click on More, and as you unfold this menu, keep an eye out for the Request Forms option. Selecting this will take you to the area where all your request forms are managed. Once you've reached the Request Forms section, it's time to click on the form labeled My First Request Form. This is likely a default form that Wrike provides to help you get started. By clicking on it, you open up the form, which acts as a template to guide you through creating requests efficiently. If you're managing multiple projects, you'll find this tool invaluable for organizing and prioritizing tasks seamlessly. Now that you've opened the form, it's time to fill it out with the relevant information. Take a moment to read through each field and understand what details are required. Common fields might include project names, descriptions, deadlines, and any other specific requisites that will help the request recipient understand and address your need accurately. It's crucial to be as detailed and specific as possible to avoid any delays or misunderstandings later on. Remember, clearer requests lead to faster and more precise outcomes. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, you're ready for the final step, which is submitting the form. Before you hit submit, double check all your entries. Ensuring everything is correct and complete the first time around saves time and effort on follow-ups. When you're satisfied that everything is in order, click on the submit button. This action sends your request form into the workflow, where it can be actioned upon by the relevant person or team. Submitting doesn't just complete your task, it initiates a chain of activity designed to keep your project moving forward smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through using the Wrike Request Form. By integrating this process into your daily routine, you can optimize your work logistics and increase productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.